Yes, hello everyone. So today we will learn how to do a PDF paper checking on your cell phone, on your smartphone in a very easy manner. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open up the PDF you want to check. So here it is. So whenever you open a PDF in Adobe Acrobat in your smartphone, it will show like this. Now, if you go to this button, you can switch the mode of the reading. That is, you want the continuous pages or you want page by page like this, or you want it in the reading mode, like without any uh, stoppage. So we will make it in a continuous page. So now how to use the tool for checking your PDF or marking the assignment or the university examination for the student, how a teacher can use a very simple method for checking your PDFs. So you can see here a pen icon. So you have two options here, comment and fill in sign. So go to the comments. Now you can see here few icons. So click on the second last one, that is a pen. Now select the color. I want red color for checking. Select the width of your pen. Third option is perfect for it. Okay, now so let's check how it will work. So if you want to tick it, write okay, this is for 5 marks, you can mark here. Now clear the pen. Now switch to the second slide. Now again check it, and this was also for the 5 marks, for example you had given here. Now unclick on the pen again, because if you don't unclick, then whenever you touch the screen there will be the mark. So you have to unclick on the pen and then select the pen again for checking. So this is also correct, you want to give 5 marks, right? So this way you can check the complete PDF or the assignment of the student that has been uploaded, right? So it is a very easy method for showing how to check the PDF by a teacher. It hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes for checking the answer sheet for a student. Yes, so if you want to change the width also, you can do the change width, but this one is quite if you see, this will be quite broader, so better to select for the third option, this one. Okay, so now if by mistake you had given, so now you can make the total. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So overall, suppose this exam was for 30 marks and the student got 30 by 30. So you can give like this and click on the save option on the top of this. So click on it. Now if you want to do the changes in the PDF, it is also very easy. Again click on this, go to the comments, go to the pen, okay, and then select the part that you want to omit. So you want to omit this thing, just click on delete, it will be deleted. Again you check it and you want to give it 3.5 marks, right? And so now the totaling will also be different, so you want to delete it, re-edit it. So now your marks will be, so now 1.5 marks we have deducted, so it will be 28.5, right? So I hope you love to do the checking in such a easy manner. Thank you so much, and do give your feedback.